Many people use AI every day, but not every tip actually saves time. In this video, I'll share practical AI tips that truly make your work faster. The first tip is using AI to draft emails faster. Instead of writing every message from scratch, you can ask AI to create a clear email in seconds. This saves time and keeps your communication professional. The second tip is using AI to summarize information quickly. Instead of reading long emails, documents, or articles, you can ask AI to give you the key points in seconds. This helps you understand information faster and make better decisions. The third tip is using AI to create to-do lists. Instead of trying to remember everything, you can ask AI to organize your tasks into a clear list. This helps you stay organized and reduces stress during the day. The fourth tip is using AI to research faster. Instead of searching through multiple websites, you can ask AI to find and explain the information you need. This saves time and helps you make better decisions. These simple AI tips can help you work faster and stay organized every day. Start with one tip, practice consistently, and you will see real results. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing to Automation Genius for more practical AI tips.